Hey everybody, thanks for coming back and watching our video. I'm Marty with Wheels with Marty. I got another new to me product for the Jeep. These are these little grab handles that you see people on the side on the roll bars. I'll show you how to install these and tell you a little bit more about these. Alright, so on these grab handles, it's very important that when you buy them, so they send you everything in the box. I'll have links to my Amazon where it has it below, in the description below. But it's very important because if you'll notice on this one, the hooks that are in here are different than these ones. Now the reason is these are for the front and these are for the rear. They're not the same. The reason they're not the same is because mine's a 2025, which has airbags in the roll bars up top. So you have to have very specific ones of these that work with the airbags. So I'm gonna show you how to install these. I haven't done it yet at all, obviously. And yeah, a little accessory, cheap, easy, fast. Let's do this. All right, so a couple things to what I said before. So this is actually for the rear. This is what it looks like. This is for the rear, and you will use the original screws that are inside where the airbag, the bolt that holds the airbag to the rail bar, the roll cage. You'll use those for this. Use the original ones. This bag of goodies is for the front one, which is this one. It's just straight. So I'll show you where those are at right now. So I'm up here on the top, right? The rear, you're gonna unscrew the bolt right here and the one right here, not these two. I mean, I guess you could, but I did them over there this way with these two. And the reason why I did those is because if you look, it just makes more sense because it hangs down kind of more in the center versus if you use these back ones, it's going to be hanging out back here. So use those original bolts, anchor it in there. And for here in the front, you actually just hook it into these holes right here and right here. And it hangs out the hole down here. These are already on the rail bar. And those are what the bolts are for. For these installs, I'm going to do the back first. You'll need, I'm using a 13 millimeter wrench to hold the bottom of the bolt that's in the front. And then the front is also going to be a 5 millimeter Allen, using it on there. And then the back is going to be a 4 millimeter Allen. So this is pretty quick, actually. Once I figured out which side was which. So just hop up here. Love Jeeps, they're just rugged. Do whatever you want to them. You just pop that off. There we go. So now that those are off, you're just going to take, and it's like Tetris, you'll see it. When you install it, it fits right into the hole over the rail bar, roll cage, whatever you want to call it. Fits right there perfectly, actually. The one in the back, this one right here, a little bit, there it goes, okay. And then you just tighten them down. All right, the back is on. There you go, just like that. And it seems pretty solid. So, and when you shut the door, it doesn't have any interference. I can run my fingers all down through there. So, pretty good. Now we'll knock at the front one real quick. I can actually probably bring you guys closer to this one now. Maybe. Now on this one, you're not taking anything off the actual car, you're just adding. So this is going to be the 5mm Allen and your 13mm socket or wrench, Allen wrench. So they don't send you instructions for these, so I had to kind of figure it out. So what you do is you actually take the middle washer, and I found this is actually on, I want to say it's on Amazon, it might show you, but it's not very detailed. So you put this one over the first hole, you take this, use this plastic washer here, that one's next, and then you obviously don't put it in the hole. And then just slide it through. It actually falls out into the bottom. Just like that, right here. Now you take this plastic rubber one, I guess that's there to keep it from rattling maybe, potentially. You put that up there, and then your actual nut. Let me see if I can actually get y'all zoomed in a little bit more on that. Maybe I can, oh, you're zooming away. Let me get you in here. Right, here we go. All right. So now we're going to do the front one. Again, you take the washer, put it down over the hole. Take your plastic one, right through there, put it in the hole. Fish it in right there. Now you want this rubber one, and then the nut. Whoops, rubber one came off. Rubber one, and then the nut. Just like this. And now you can tighten it down. And that's it. That's all there is to it. Booyah. Yeah. Not going anywhere. There you go. Fully installed. And again, you can run your fingers right down the door. Does not interfere with the door at all. So that's it. All right, guys, if you like today's video, make sure to like and subscribe. Even if you don't like it, still like and subscribe. It helps out a lot. And subscribe to everything I have. Follow me everywhere. Click all the links below. They'll have all the products there if you like it. Cool, buy it. They have different colors on these too. I just went with black because I feel like if I got like another color, it would clash with the two shades of the shade of gray and blue that's here. So I got black. Anyway, yeah, if you like it, guys, subscribe. Till next time, see ya. Bye.